5 times. And it goes something like this. Have you ever heard of Tapita, a Waiapu senorita, who was diving for power around Port Awanui Way? She saw a Spaniard floundering in the water, ngatiporou. So old Te Kaitu's daughter gave him mouth to mouth, and then it was all ole. Ay, ay, who's the guy at the door? The guy with the look over the moor. He's Casanova's cousin. He gets wine by the dozen with his rumpeliana. Boom, boom, ole. He then smiled at Tapita's sister, and I have to ask you, mister, e hia ngā wahine o Manuel Jose. Tahirua toru, whaarema ono, kare mohi o ngā wahine o Manuel Jose. Ai ai,
Who's the guy at the door? The guy with that look over the moor.
She's Casanova's cousin. He gets wine by the dozen with his rumpeliana. Boom, boom, ole. Well, he shook and picked a winner. His wahine fed on kinda. A power poo-poo cutting or TTOK. No dresses made of cotton. Harakeke loosely round the bottom. When the wind started blowing, it was all ole. Ay, ay, who's the guy at the door? The guy with the look of remorse. He's Casanova's cousin. He gets wine by the dozen with his root to the other. Boom, boom, ole. Now our Ngati Wahine, they love him. They just can't get enough of him. Engari kopo te hau, te raka o Manuel Jose. Engari Hiroki and his 300 cousins, they just multiplied by the dozens. Now there's thousands and thousands and thousands of us Jose. Ay, ay, who's the guy at the door? The guy with the look of remorse. He's Casanova's cousin. He gets wine by the dozen with his room to the other. Boom, boom, ole. Nā reira, a te whānau. Auntie Sui, Auntie Maybe. In Spain, they only have one in your generation, one living. Teresa was her name. So we were blessed. We were about over 20 in your generation with us. So, and this is a generation, I just want to say that where it all started from. And your Auntie Dooley, all those our aunties, my grandmother, she was already passed on when the reunion came, but Auntie Dooley and those few that were there. And when we get back to that first original reunion, our first chairman was Louis Tangaire. And Auntie Dooley said to Luti, well, Luti, if you want to have a reunion, you better check with your father first. Oh, why is that, Auntie? Well, Auntie Dooley said he was close to Jose, you know. And if we're going to have a reunion, we want to have all the descendants on the wall. And so we had to have a real good think about it before we endeavoured on that wonderful journey. And thanks to Bob and my cousin Toodles, what a wonderful start they gave us. We are just following on from these wonderful people that started us off. They gave us the push start, they got us going, now we're rolling, and we're going to keep on rolling. Nā reira.
Ole.
Tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou.